Unlocking the secrets of English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, unlocking the secret. It's a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your own English communications. Let's get started. Unlocking the secret is a metaphorical phrase that essentially means discovering or revealing something that was hidden or not known before. Imagine a door with a lock. The secret is what's behind the door, and you need a key to open it. In this phrase, finding out the secret is like finding the right key to open the lock. Examples in context. In a detective story, a detective might be unlocking the secret of a mysterious case. In science, researchers could be unlocking the secret behind a new discovery that could change the way we understand the world. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to professional and academic writing. It's particularly useful when you want to emphasize the process of discovering important or confidential information. Tips for using the phrase. Be mindful of the context. This phrase best suits situations where there is a sense of discovery or revelation. Pair it with descriptive language. Enhance your message by describing the secret and the significance of its discovery. Practice exercise. Try to use unlocking the secret in a sentence related to your own field of interest or study. For example, scientists are on the verge of unlocking the secret to eternal youth. Understanding and using phrases like unlocking the secret can greatly enrich your English vocabulary and make your conversations and writings more engaging. We hope this video has unlocked some of the mysteries of English phrases for you. Remember, every phrase is a key to a new door of knowledge and understanding in language learning. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.